Understand why you were questioning me or interrogating me as a passenger first and foremost.
When they pull over the driver, they can ask the passenger for ID. It doesn't sound like they should, but they can ask for your ID.
Right.
They, the excuse is that for their safety, they want to know everybody that's in the vehicle.
It is Judge Dawson. I am stopping by to give you a quick introduction. The video that's coming up after I speak to you right now is very important. If you care about your life, if you care about anybody, share the video, because I'm talking to a person from my bench, not in a t-shirt. I'm on the bench, and I'm talking about negative interaction with the legal system, and I'm having a conversation that goes from formal in court to informal, just speaking man to man about how to avoid negative interaction with the legal system. This is a must-see video. If you care about any man or woman in your life, share the video. Take care.
And then we move to obstruction of official business. We're dealing with the obstruction where they allege that you, on the 24th of January, gave false information regarding your identity during a traffic stop. Now, you didn't have any warrants or anything like that, did you?
Yeah, well, actually, I did have a warrant that I didn't even realize I had. With,
so why you get a Facebook? Was that just the fake information, just in case, or?
No, what I really was. The thing was, I was in the car. My wife had got pulled over from. He said we had ran through a light on Terrace.
Okay.
So we riding all down Taylor, turn on Euclid, going towards the cigar lounge, and he pulls us over by Burnett. So I said, and so I'm thinking like, well, why is he pulling us over? As soon as he pulled her over, he walked up and said, I'm pulling you over because you ran this light. You ran that light back there on Terrace. I'm like, wow. I'm thinking to myself, we ran the light on Terrace. I know we didn't because I seen the cars. We stopped, let the car go past, waited for another car to go past. He didn't go, so we went. I know for a fact to recall all of it. So when he said that, it kind of threw me for a loop. But she gave him her ID and everything. He started asking me questions. And I was wondering, I'm like, why are you questioning me? She gave you the ID. You should be able to go back there and give her whatever traffic violation you violated.
Did he give her a ticket?
Yeah, he gave her a ticket. Okay. The whole thing was, I was a little annoyed that he did that, so I just said robbery. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, I really did, because I don't even understand why you were questioning me or interrogating me as a passenger first.
Well, I think so. So,
you was about to quote the law.
No, I was about to get some assistance, but I see it's not there right now. So what I'm gonna say is, I'm almost certain though. I mean, you got a good point, but I'm almost certain now. When they pull over the driver, they can ask the passenger for ID. It doesn't sound like they should, but they can ask for your ID.
Right.
They, the excuse is that for their safety, they want to know everybody that's in the vehicle. I understand the pushback that happens not just here, but nationally, because the point is, it's a minor traffic offense that you pulled us over. You're not investigating a murder. You're not You pulled me over for speeding or stop sign on the light. Why do you need my ID? Give her the ticket. Let me go. Well, I'm glad. Well, just generally speaking, you're kind of like me in this position now. Like the moves that you guys are making in the city, you're like me. I can't break no laws because then it'll be all Judge Dawson breaking laws. And same thing. You guys are doing big things in the city, so you're gonna get to the point where y'all can't break laws either because your business is growing and it's, so, but nevertheless, the prosecutor admitted it to a minor misdemeanor, which carries a maximum of a $150 fine. How do you plead to that charge?
No contest.
All right, based on that plea and all the information I provided, there won't be any fines, no costs. Take care.
When I got pulled, he came over to the side and unlocked the door and opened it and, you know what I'm saying? I said, well, whoa, am I doing something really? Am I really doing something? Because as soon as I said, my name Robert. You know what I'm saying? I said, nah, man, I ain't going to do that. My name's Johnny.
Okay, so
that's how it played off. And then he said, oh, got real aggressive. I said, ooh, okay, young guy here, we don't even know the guy. I don't know. I like everybody that's in our city that's doing things. Right. Officers included. I don't have no problem with officers in our city. It's just a certain way, like the way he was doing this power trip to even pull her over to say that
you handled it and the way that you're handling the entire situation is the way it should be done. Because, obviously, Ms. McCullough tell you, I'm not I'm not pro prosecution, pro defendant. You know, I call it down the line. If you owe fines, it costs you a fines. And I'm gonna tell you the worst thing, honestly. Now that we're just talking, the worst scenario, and Ms. Conway, when you got a judge that's a fair judge, don't battle it on the street. You know what I mean? Right. Take the ticket. Not that you did it. Come on to court. I'm gonna hear you out. Right. They're not gonna hear you out at that car. And I'm saying that not for you, but for people you know. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, really, the way to resolve these is bring it on in here. Enter your plea of no contest. Tell me what happened, and I'm gonna handle it the way it should be handled. Yeah. Some folks come in. Look, now that we're pretty much off the record, you know.